Creating a free e-commerce store has never been easier with WordPress and WooCommerce. I'm James, and in this video, we're gonna learn how to build this amazing e-commerce store from scratch, step by step. I'm gonna teach you everything you need to start selling online with WooCommerce. This updated tutorial consists of 16 steps, and I'm sure by end of it, you'll have an amazing, fully functional web store. So without further ado, let's get started. The first step is to click on the link in the description to get 70% discount on Bluehost. Bluehost is one of the top recommended hosting providers, and it's been picked as PC Magazine editor's choice for web hosting. I personally use it for all my websites, and it's really the best. Click here on Get Started. Bluehost has more than one plan, but we're gonna look at the first two, Basic and Choice Plus. The major difference between them that with Basic you can host one website, and with Choice Plus, you can host unlimited number of websites. So if you are planning to create multiple websites in the future, I highly recommend Choice Plus plan for you. All plans come with free domain, free SSL Certificate, which is the lock key up here. This will ensure the security of your website. Also, you will be able to create email accounts using your domain name. Bluehost has everything your website needs from startup to success, and that's why it's #1 hosting company in the world. For the purpose of this tutorial, I'm gonna select the basic plan. Click here on Select. Here, you can create new domain or use existing domain you already own. Let me create new domain. The domain name will be prodigitalhub.com. Note that domain name can be anything you want. Then click on Next. I got a message that domain name prodigitalhub.com is not available. But I got here other available domains, not ending with .com, so I have here .online, .site, .website, etc. If you insist on having .com domain, then go back and try other domain names, but for me, I will continue with prodigitalhub.net. Click here on the cart icon. Then go up here and click on Continue. Enter your personal details here, and then scroll down to the package information. Here, you can choose the hosting duration. You will notice also that domain and SSL certificate are free. At the package extras, untick them all. However, I recommend to keep domain privacy protection. This will ensure that your domain details are hidden and you won't receive spam emails. The final step is to go down and enter your credit card details. And then click on Submit. Well done, you subscribed to Bluehost successfully. Click on Create your account. Choose a password to use it while logging to Bluehost. Retype the password. Tick here and click Create Account. Click on Create your website. Here are some optional questions. Click on Skip this step. Choose your website type. For me, I'm gonna choose Business. Skip this step. And skip this one as well. Here, it provides you basic templates to use. However, we don't need them as I'm gonna show you later in this video. Amazing free templates. Go all the way down and click on Skip this step. Great job! Bluehost is now installing WordPress on your website. Just hold on for a minute. WordPress installation is complete, and we are inside Bluehost dashboard. The last step is to go to your email and verify the new domain. Click here and verify your email. And by this, we are done with this step. In this step, we're gonna clean and prepare WordPress dashboard for our new website. To access WordPress dashboard, click on Manage Site, and then click on Log into WordPress up here. We are now inside WordPress dashboard where all the magic happens. First step is to delete all unnecessary plugins, which usually added for commercial reasons, and we don't really need it. Highlight down here on Plugins and click on Installed Plugins. Go down and select all plugins. Choose Deactivate from here and click on Apply. Select all plugins again, choose Delete, and then Apply. Click OK, and by this we deleted all unnecessary plugins from WordPress. The next step is to delete all pages, so it doesn't conflict with the theme that we're gonna upload in the next steps. Go to Pages and click on All Pages. Select all from here, choose Move to Trash, and then click on Apply. Let's go back to Dashboard Home and clean it. Click Dismiss here. To minimize all boxes, click on this small triangle. And by this, we are done cleaning WordPress dashboard. The next step is to go to Settings, then General, and add our website name and tagline. At site title, you can write your business name, or maybe your personal name if you are creating a personal website. For me, I'm gonna write my channel name, Pro Digital Hub. And at tagline, write few words to explain what this site is about. And then go down and click on Save. The next step is to click on Permalinks under Settings. Make sure that Post Name option is selected here. Usually it's done by default, but it's important to check it to avoid any issue later on. And by this, we are done with WordPress preparation. Let's move now to the next step. In this step, we gonna install SSL Certificate to secure our website and enable encrypted connection. Click on Plugins, then click on Add New. Search here for SSL. We gonna choose really simple SSL plugin. It has been installed more than 5 million times and it's free. Click on Install Now. And then click on Activate. The next step, click on Settings, then General. Here in the WordPress URL, delete everything after the 2 slashes, and then add the letter S after HTTP and write the domain name after the 2 slashes. And you have to do the same steps for next field. So this 2 fields should have https:// your domain name. Make sure to write it correctly and avoid spelling mistakes. And then go down and click on Save. You've been logged out of WordPress dashboard. And to log in again, go to Bluehost and click on Log into WordPress. In some cases, SSL Certificate takes up to 24 hours to be activated. So if you get this window, take a break and come back after few hours, and you will be able to log into WordPress. However, if you still see this window after 24 hours, go to Bluehost and click on this icon up here. And then click on Chat icon. New chat window will open. Bluehost support is a world-class, and they will surely assist you. Send them the following message. SSL Certificate is still not active, and I'm not able to access WordPress dashboard. Please assist, and then hit send, and wait for an agent to join the chat and solve the issue. This is rarely happening, but I want you to be ready for all scenarios. After a couple of hours, the SSL Certificate is activated, and when clicking on Log into WordPress, I've been able to access WordPress dashboard. The last step is to go to Settings and click on SSL. And then click on Activate SSL. And by this, SSL Certificate is fully activated on our website and it's 100% secure. To view our website, go back to Dashboard. And then hover the mouse on website name and click on Visit Site. You will notice that domain name is active on the website, and you have this SSL lock active on your website, and the connection is secure. We can see this toolbar up here. This only shows if you're logged into WordPress. To go back into the dashboard, all you have to do is click on website name again, and now you can switch back and forth to the back end of your website and to the front end of your website. Let's move to the next step and add a theme to our website. In this step, we're gonna add free theme to our store. Website theme is the overall look, feel, and style of your website. Go to Plugins and click on Add New. Search here for Starter Templates. We have this plugin which has been installed more than 1 million times. It's called Starter Templates. Click on Install Now. Then click on Activate. Starter Templates is added successfully to the plugins. Click here on See Library. We got this welcome message. Go down and click on Build Your Website Now. Make sure to choose Elementor, which is an amazing page builder. Here, we got a list of available themes under Starter Templates. However, we gonna filter themes that suit e-commerce business. Go to e-commerce and choose Clothing Store. Here are the themes that's designed specifically for e-commerce businesses. Premium label means that this theme is not free. We gonna choose a free theme that fits all types of e-commerce stores, and it's highly customizable. My favorite free theme is Brand Store. Click on it. You can view it here, and you will notice that it's an elegant and well-designed theme. I highly recommend this free theme. Let's add it to our website. Click down here on Skip and Continue, and then go down and click on Continue. Insert your first name and email. Select I'm beginner and I'm building website for myself, company. Go down and click on Submit and build my website. It will take a couple of minutes. Congratulations! The theme is added successfully to our website. Click on View your website. You'll find the theme is added to our domain. And now we have a complete website out of nothing. In the next steps, we're gonna learn how to add products, amend the design, and more. To go back to WordPress dashboard, click on the website name up here. Let's move now to the next step. In this step, we're gonna work on WooCommerce Settings. WooCommerce is a free plugin. It lets you turn a WordPress website into an e-commerce store. Go to WooCommerce on the left menu and click on Settings. We're gonna start working on General Settings. Here, insert your store address details. If you don't have one, then you can insert your personal address. Next step, decide your selling location, or in other words, which countries you want to sell to. You can sell to all countries in the world, or maybe sell to a specific countries. I'm gonna select sell to specific countries. This is totally up to you. So I'll enter here, United States and Canada. It means that only people in these two countries can buy from my store. At shipping location, we keep it as it is, ship to all countries you sell to. Go down to default taxes. Here you can decide if you want to charge taxes on purchases. This is totally up to you. I'm gonna enable it in order to teach you all scenarios. Here, make sure that Enable Coupons is active. I'm gonna show you how to create discount coupons later in this video. Go down to Currency Options. From here you can change the default currency of your store. It will be the primary currency of your store. So for example, if you are in UK, select British Pound. If you are in France, select Euro and so on. But I'm gonna keep it USD, cause my store is based in USA. And then go down and click on Save Changes. Let's move to the next tab, Products. Let's look at Add to Cart behavior. We have this option, redirect to the cart page after successful addition. Let's go to the website to understand what it means. Click up here on Website Name. Go down and click on this product, for example. Click on Add to Cart. You will notice that we stayed on the same page and a message pop up. That product is added to your cart. On other hand, if we enable this option, then go down and save changes. Let's add this product to cart. We will be redirected to the cart page instead of staying at the product page. I highly advise you to enable this option to increase your store conversion, and your customer can always click on Continue Shopping if he or she wants to buy more products. Let's continue working on product settings. Go down to Review section, and you can enable or disable product reviews from here. But I highly advise you to keep it active. And then click on Save Changes. Let's work now on Tax tab. If you remember, we enabled taxes on this store, and if you didn't enable it, then you can skip this step. Click up here on Standard Rates. Click on Insert Row, and add here your tax rate. For example, I'll add 8%. And click on Save Changes. So we added a fixed tax rate regardless of the country. Now, if we go back to the website, and for example add this product to the cart, you will find here $40 tax added to the total price, which is 8% multiplied by 500, the cart subtotal. And if you want to add different tax rate to specific location, click on Insert New Row, and add country code. Enter country 2-letter code. If you don't know it, go to Google, and search for 2-letter country codes. Click on any result. Let's search for United Kingdom, for example. We will find here that UK 2-letter code is GB. Go back and insert GB at country code field. And for example, set the tax 5%. So all customers in UK will be charged 5% tax. And when you're done, save changes. Let's move now to the most important tab, which is the Shipping tab. Let's add new shipping zones. Our store sells to 2 countries, US and Canada. Click on Add Shipping Zone. And let's call this one, US. Select the countries under this zone. Let's search for United States. You can choose specific state or the whole country. And also you can select more than one country. And then click on Add Shipping Method. We have 3 shipping methods: flat rate, free shipping, and local pickup. Let's start with flat rate. Click on Add Shipping Method. Click on Edit. And let's assign $15 flat shipping rate for this particular zone. And we can rename the shipping method to something like Express Shipping. And at tax status, we can choose if we want to apply the tax rate, if any, on the shipping rate. For me, I'll change it to none. And then click on Save Changes. And by this, we added the first shipping method successfully. Let's add another shipping method. Let's add free shipping. And then click on Edit. You can apply it for all orders or assign a condition for free shipping. For example, a valid free shipping coupon. I'll show you later in this video how to create coupons. And also, you can offer free shipping for a minimum order amount, and this is the one I prefer. Let's set it up here for $100. Means that if the customer order total is more than $100, then he or she will get free shipping. This is a very good way to increase your sales. And you can select as well, minimum order amount or a coupon, or minimum order amount and a coupon, but mostly store owners use it with minimum order amount. And then click on Save Changes. Let's look at the third shipping method, which is local pickup. This only applies when you have a physical store and you want customers pick up orders themselves from your store. Usually this shipping method will be applicable to your store location. We have now 3 shipping methods added to this zone. Make sure to add at least 1 shipping method for each zone. And then click down here on Save Changes. Go back to shipping zones, and let's add another shipping zone for Canada, the other country we are selling to. Click on Add Shipping Zone. Name it here Canada, and then choose Canada from the list of countries. Click on Add Shipping Method. We gonna choose here, flat rate. Let's edit it, and assign shipping rate of $13. And click on Save Changes. You can add other shipping methods as explained earlier, and this is the second shipping zone. You can add as many as you want. There is no limit. And that's it for shipping settings. Hope it's clear. Later on we'll talk about payment settings, and these ones. Don't play with it as it's system default. And by this we are done with this step. In this step, we gonna create product collections or categories. Click on Products, then Categories. The first thing is to delete current categories which added by the theme. Click here to select all categories. And select Delete, then click on Apply. All categories are deleted, and let's start from scratch. In this tutorial, we gonna build a website to sell men clothes, and of course, you can apply the same logic for any store type. The first category or collection will be jackets. And then go down here and click on Add New Category. So the first collection, jackets, are added here. The second category is jeans. Write it here, and then click on Add New Category. You can add unlimited number of categories. It's very simple and straightforward. I've added 4 categories here. Let's move now to the next step and start adding products to our store. In this step, we gonna learn how to add products to our store. The first thing is to go to Products and click on All Products. We gonna delete all products that came with the theme for illustration purposes as we don't need it. Click here to select all products and then select Move to Trash and click on Apply. The first batch is deleted. Select all again and move them to trash as well. The next step is to go to Trash right here. Select all and choose Delete Permanently and click on Apply. And do the same step again to delete the rest. And by this all products which came with the theme are deleted. Let's add new product. Click on Add New under Products. The first thing is to enter product name. The first product that we gonna add is sunglasses. The product name is Jacob Vintage Sunglasses. And then we have to add product description. We have a long product description which comes here, and we have a short product description at the bottom of the page. I have the product description handy here. I'll copy the long description and then paste it here. Let's change the title for each line to bold. Make sure to write a product description that sells. You can outsource this task to freelancers at websites like Fiverr.com. I'm gonna copy the short description. Then go all the way down and paste it here. The next step is to assign product category. Go to Product Categories box on the right side. Here you will find all categories created at the previous step. Select sunglasses category. Now, here we have to choose product type. There is a simple product and variable product. The difference between them, that simple product is a unique, standalone physical product, which doesn't come with any variations like size or color. This sunglasses is unique and doesn't have any size or color, so it's a simple product. So let's say this sunglasses price is $40. And if you have sale on this product, enter the sale price here. Let's say that sale price is $36. And if you don't have sale, then you can keep it blank. But I'm gonna keep it to show you how it looks on the website. And here you can decide if you want the product to be taxable with the tax rates we set up earlier. If you didn't set up tax rates, then you don't have to worry about it. The next step is to go to inventory. And you can enter product SKU. If you don't have it, then keep it blank. And here, you can decide if you want a WooCommerce to manage your stock. Let me enable it. And let's say that stock quantity from this product is 100. And here at back orders, we can allow customers to purchase product even if it's out of stock. I recommend to keep it selected as don't allow to avoid any issue with the customers. And low stock threshold means that when stock reached a certain level, WooCommerce will send you an alert through email. So let's enter here 10, which means when stock level reached a 10, then I'll be notified through email. And that's it for simple product. What left is to upload product images. If you go up to the right side, you will find here product image, which is the featured image of your product, and it will be shown first at collection pages and product page. Also, you will have product gallery, which is a collection of images showcasing the product. You can add unlimited number of images. It's very important to note that good product photos entice customers to make a purchase by giving them a more informed and tempting buying experience. So you have to take extra care of this and assign a professional photographer to handle your product images. Image specifications should be at least 1000 pixels width and 1000 pixels height with JPG format. Let me show you how to change images dimension if you already have the product images. Go to a website called canva.com, create free account. Click up here on create a design, and then click on custom size. Enter 1000 pixels width and 1000 pixels height, and click on create new design. Drag the product image here, and increase the image size to fit the design. Make sure it's centered, and then click up here on Share. Click on Download. Change file type to JPG format, and then click on Download. Let's go back to product page and add this image. Click on Set Product Image. Select Files, and choose your image. At the alt text, add product name. This will help your product to be found organically on Google. And add it as well at the title. And when you're done, click down here on Set Product Image. And product image is added successfully. Now, let's add other images under Product Gallery. Click here on Add Product Gallery Images. Go to Upload Files, select Files, and select Images. You can select more than one image by holding down the Control key. And then click on Open. Click on Add to Gallery, and all images are added here. And by this, we are done working on this product. Go up here and click on Publish. And the product is live now. In order to view the product, click on Preview Changes. And here is the product page inside the website. Note that we still need to work on website design in the next step. We have here product name, the price before and after the discount, short product description, stock availability, product SKU, and category. And down here, we have long product description. And product gallery pictures will be listed here. And with simple steps and free theme, we get this amazing product page. So, this is the simple product. Let's go back to WordPress and add variable product, the product which has sizes, colors, etc. Click here on Add New. Product name is Elegance to Pieces Suit. Add the long product description. And then go down and add the short description. Then go up and choose product category. For this product, I'll choose suits. Here at product type, change it to variable product. And then go to attributes. And click here on Add. Insert attribute or variable. The first attribute for this product is color. This product has 3 colors, black, blue, and gray. Enter the first color, which is black. and enter the vertical bar sign after it. The vertical bar sign is used here as a separator, and it is usually located right above the Enter key in your keyboard. And then enter the second color, which is blue, and follow it with vertical sign. And then enter gray, the third color. So this is the available colors from this product. And when you're done, tick Used for variations. And then click on Add for the second variation. The second variation is product size. Right here, size. The first size is 43, and follow it with vertical bar. Insert the rest of sizes, but make sure to separate them with vertical bar. And then tick Used for variations. You can add more variants as well, like material or style, but to save time, I'll just have to. And when you're done, click here on Save All Attributes. So we have two product variations saved, color and size. The next step is to go to Variations. Click here on Add Variation and select Create Variations from all attributes. And then click on Go. Click on OK. We got a message that 15 variations added. Why 15? Because we have 3 colors and 5 sizes. So we have here, for example, 5 variations for black color. Each comes with a different size. And the same goes for blue and gray colors. Let's start working on variations. Click on the first one. And enter SKU for this specific variation, which is black color and 43 size. If you don't have it, just leave it blank. And if you have single SKU for this product regardless of size and color, go to Inventory and enter it here. But let's enter SKU for each variant of this product. Tick here on Manage Stock. And let's say the price of this variant is 65, and the sale price is 54, and stock quantity is 200 from this color and size. And let's be notified when stock level reached to 10. And skip the rest of details, it's not important. And we go down here and do the same steps for the rest of variants. It's important to note that you can do bulk editing from here. So for example, let's set sale price for all products. Click on Go. And let's say the sale price for all products is $54. And click OK. So now the sale price for all variants are changed to 54. From the bulk editing menu, you can set regular prices, set sales prices, and you can bulk edit the inventory as well. The next step is to add product images. Go up here to Product Image. Click on Set Product Image and upload it. This is the main image. Select it. Write product name in alt text and in title, and then click on Set Product Image. The next step is to add Product Gallery. Click here and add other images. What we can do as well is to go to Variations. For example, we have black color here. Click on Image icon and upload one of the pictures to represent black color. And click on Set Variation Image. Make sure to do this step for all variants. And when you are done, go up here and click on Publish. Click on Preview Changes to view product page. So we have here the main product image, the product colors, and product sizes. For example, click on black color and select size. You will have here the variant image for black color. And for gray color, we have this picture. This is the short description, and down here the long description. So it looks great, and the product is ready now. Go back to WordPress, and let me show you how to add a service or virtual product. Click here on Add New. For example, we provide gardening service. This service doesn't include any inventory. You might provide other services like social media management, counseling, etc. Make sure to write description and choose category. And here at Simple Product, click on Virtual, which means that this product doesn't include inventory and it doesn't include shipping. Add the price here. Let's say it's $100 and the sale price is $78. You can also select a variable virtual product and enter a variation, like duration of service. Just follow the same way explained in previous step. Add a product image. Click on Publish. And then click on Preview Changes. Here, we have the gardening service page, and your customers can purchase your service from here. This free shipping label should not be here. I'll show you in a minute how to remove it. But for now, let me show you another product type, which is downloadable products, like ebook. Click on Add New. Let's call it Amazing Ebook. Go down to Simple Product and tick here on Downloadable. Assign the price for this ebook. And let's add sale price as well. Remember, it's optional. And here, we upload the downloadable file. Click on Choose File. Go to Upload Files tab, then select Files. I have here ebook PDF, so it's added here. Click on Insert File URL. So ebook URL is inserted here. And we can assign download limit, how many times a customer can download this ebook. And you can assign download expiry. It means that after a certain number of days, a customer can't download this file. Let's put here 30 days. And when done, go up here and add product image. And then click on Publish. Let's preview our changes. So here we have this amazing ebook, and it's only downloadable. And now you can start selling ebooks and other downloadable materials, like music or software. The last product type I want to mention it here is the affiliate product. If you have affiliate link, just click here and select external affiliate product. Insert your affiliate link here, and you can change as well the purchase button text, and then add the price. It's very easy and straightforward. Let's remove now this free shipping text if it appears in your product page. If not, just ignore this step. Click on Appearance down here, then Customize. Go all the way down to Additional CSS and insert this line of code. I leave it to you in video description. And then click up here on Publish. Go back to product page and refresh it. You will find that free shipping text is disappeared. So by this, we are done with this step. I'll add many products now, and I will see you in the next step to start designing our store. If you like this video so far, please support us by hitting the like button and subscribe to the channel. Let's start working on store design. The first step is to change website logo. Click up here on website name to go to the website, and then click on Customize. Hover mouse over logo and click on this blue pencil. And here you can see the white logo, and we have to change it. You need two versions of your logo. The first one is colored logo, and the second in white color. Let me teach you how to design a logo, and if you already have one, then you can skip this step. Go to a website called canva.com. Canva is an amazing free website. I'll leave the website link in video description. Register for free. And then click on Create a Design and search for logo. Click on it. We have all this logo ready-made templates to choose from. The ones with crown means they are not free and you have to upgrade your account. Let me choose this one for example. Edit the text and write your business name. Increase the size here to fit it in single line and remove this word. Let me change the font color. Go up here and choose your desired color. The logo is ready. Select it all and increase its size to fit the design. Next step is to go to Canva dashboard. Click on Create Design, then click on Custom Size. Enter here 250 pixel width and 150 pixel height. Click on Create New Design. The next step is to go to the design. Select the logo, copy it, and paste it here. Make sure to fit the logo in the design and center it. This is the ideal logo size for WordPress website. Click on Share, and then Download, and click on Download again. So we got here the first version of the logo, which is the colored one. Now we want to have the second version, which is the white logo. Change the color of all elements to white. And then click on Share, and then Download. And make sure to select here Transparent Background. And then click on Download. And by this, we're done designing website logo in two versions, colored and white. Go back to WordPress. Click on Change Image. Upload File, select Files, and select the white logo. Click on Choose Image. So the logo is added here. Go down and add the white logo as well to Retina. And you can control logo width from here. You can increase it or decrease it. The other step is to add the colorful logo. Go back and click on Site Title and Logo. And click here on Change Logo and upload the colored logo. Change the logo as well here. Click on tablet icon down here. And turn off different logo for mobile devices. So, this logo will appear on tablet. And if you click on mobile icon, you will find it also here. And you can control logo width for mobile devices. When you're done, go back to desktop view. And in order to save your changes, click up here on Publish. Close this box, and here you can find our new logo added to the website, and it looks great. Let's move now to the next step. In this step, we're gonna start working on homepage design. The first step is to click up here on Edit with Elementor. Elementor is the tool that will enable us to edit the website easily. Here we have the page sections, and on the left side, we have Elementor Edit box. We'll start edit the page section by section. If you notice, the page is divided to many sections. Each section needs to be handled separately. The first section is the main banner. Let's change this image to something suits our store niche. And to find a free nice images, go to a website called Pexels.com. Pexels.com provides royalty-free images. Our website is in men fashion niche, so let's search for men fashion. Filter results by horizontal orientation. There are many images here. I want to choose one which has no elements on the left side to fit the design. Let's try this image. Click on it. Go to Download, select large size, and then download selected size. Go back to Website Editor. Go up here and click on the white dots, and then go to the left box and click on Style. We can find the banner image. Click on it in order to change it. Go to Upload Files tab. Select Files and upload the image. Click on Insert Media down here. So the image is added to the banner successfully. You can try many images to find the best one. If you notice the image is a little bit dark, to control image brightness, go down here to something called Background Overlay. And from Opacity, you can control image brightness. And at any time if you want to view the website without the Elementor box, just click on the arrow here. You can review your changes in full screen mode. To show the Elementor box, click on the arrow again. Let's edit the text here. Click on it and write whatever you want. It's free text field. I have this text ready. There is no room for looking ordinary. And to edit text style and size, click on Style. Click on Typography. And from the size, you can decrease or increase text size. Let me decrease it here to fit 2 rows. And from here, you can change font type. And you can do all sort of changes as well. For example, adding space between letters. And from here you can change text color. And let's change this text. For example, get free shipping on all orders. And you can go to Style and edit text format. To edit the button, click on it. You can change button text. For example, let's write Buy Now. And we can assign button link from here. The hashtag means that this button won't be clickable. Delete the hashtag, and let's add a link. You can add external link, but to get the best out of this button, direct it to All Products page. Start writing here Store, and the Store page will appear here. This page is auto-generated by WooCommerce, and it contains all products. And if you want to change button color, click on Style. Go to Color and click here. And change button color. Make sure to choose a color that fits the design. And you can change hover color as well, which is the button color when mouse point is hovering over it. We have black as hover color for this button. Click on Hover, and then change the color. Let's change it to blue. So when we hover here, the button color will change to blue. You can as well change button text color for normal and hover. For the second button, it's not really needed. One button is enough, so right-click on it and click on Delete. So the button is no longer here, and by this we're done working on the first section. As you noticed, Elementor Editor is user-friendly. Play with it and test more than one design. And to save your changes, click down here on Update. Let's continue working on other sections. In this section, we have the logos of certain brands. In order to edit it, just click on it. This is called Image Carousel. Click here, and you can add your own brand's logos. Just click on Add to Gallery and upload images. And you can delete the existing images by clicking on X, but when uploading logos, make sure that it's in the same size. But for me, I'm gonna right-click here and delete the whole section. I want to keep the homepage simple because simplicity sells. Now I want to talk about my brand. It's good to add this info at homepage, but if you look at remaining sections, you won't find a place to add this info. So let's create a section from scratch. The first thing is to click on plus sign that appears on the bottom of previous section. So new section is opened here. I want this section to have 2 columns. So click here on the red plus sign and choose 2 columns. So I have 2 columns added inside the new section. Go up here and click on the white dots. We have here the elements available inside Elementor, and it can be added to the website. So for example, I'll drag this heading to the first column. And then go back to Elements. At second column, I want to have image, so I'll drag the image element to the second column. So now I have a section with 2 columns. The first one has text and the second has an image. I'm gonna change this text to something like our story. And then go to alignment and change text alignment to center. And from style, go to typography and control the text size. Now let's add a text editor under this heading. Go back to Elements. And I'll drag the text editor element under the heading. Release it when the blue line appears under the heading. And now you can write free text in this text editor. Let's now add picture to the second column. Click on the image, and I want to add a picture that talks about brand story. Let's go to pexels.com. And for example, search for Taylor. I want a picture to show that we are taking a good care of our designs and fabrics. Click on free download and choose medium size. Go back here and upload the new image. Click on choose image. Upload files. Select files. Choose the image. And then click on insert media. So the image is added successfully. Let me write some text here. So by this, the new section is done. Click on this arrow to view the website in full mode. It looks really great, but if you notice there is no much space between sections. So how we can add space between sections? Click here on plus and drag here an element called spacer. And from here, we can control the space. And now, the new section looks much better. Let's move now to the next section. We gonna use this section to list products collections. Click here on the first column. You'll find the image under style. The first product collection is suits, so let's add an image here to represent suits. Click on choose image. I have the suit image uploaded for one of the products, and I think it looks nice. So let me add it to this collection. So the image is added here, and you can edit the text and write suits. Here you can give some info about this collection. Let's edit the button, Shop Now. At link, we gonna insert the collection URL, so when a customer click on Shop Now, then he or she will be redirected to Suits collection page. In order to get collection URL, go to WordPress dashboard. Click on Products, and then Categories. At Suit Collection, click here on View. New page will open. This page is the collection page inside our store. Copy the page link, and then go back to the website editor and paste it here. So anyone click on this button will go the Suits collection page. Let's add the second collection, sunglasses. Click on it, then go to Style. Choose Image. Let me, for example, select this image to represent the collection. Change collection title to sunglasses. And you do the same steps for Shop Now button. Go to collection page. Copy page URL, and then paste it here. We have 2 collections left, jeans and jackets, but if you notice we have here only 3 fields. So how to add more collections? So we need one more. Just right-click here and click on Duplicate. And if you have more than 4 collections, right-click here and duplicate the whole section. So you have 6 collections now. If you have only 5, right-click here and click on Delete. So you have 3 and 2, but for this tutorial, I will only add 4 collections. As you see, sections and columns are highly customizable. Let me add the other 2 collections fast and get back to you. I added the other 2 collections. If you notice that this image is not centered, so in order to center it, click on the image and then go to Style, and then change image position to Center. And if you want to make it a little bit lighter, go to Background Overlay and decrease the opacity. But what if I wanted to list the jeans collection before sunglasses collection? I just drag it by mouse and position it here. And I'm gonna delete this text. So, by this our collections are ready. I think what's missing is a heading for this section. Go to Elements and drag a heading on top of section. And let's call it Our Collections. What we can do as well is to add a divider between these 2 sections. Go to Elements and drag a divider between sections. Divider is added here. You can click on it, go to Width, and reduce divider width, and from Alignment, click on Center. View website in full mode. You will find the divider added here, and it looks just perfect. Let's continue working on the rest of sections, but before that, I think we missed changing the button label to Shop Now. So let me change it here. We gonna continue to Featured Products section. This is the products that we want to list on homepage. Usually it's the best-selling products, or products which have high margin. Click on this gray area. You'll find here a short code. It says Featured Products, column 5, and limit 10. It means that each row will have 5 products, and maximum number of products to be listed on homepage is 10. So, we will have 2 rows, and each row has 5 products. In order to assign featured products, go to WordPress admin panel and click on Products. To add any product to featured list and show it at homepage, simply click on the star beside the product, and star color turn to blue. Let me add other 9 products. I picked 10 products. Go back to the website, click on the section, and then click on Apply. You'll find 10 products are added here at the Featured Products section, and it looks just perfect. Let's click here again on the section. You can edit shortcode and change columns from 5 to 4. You'll notice that we have now 3 rows. The first 2 rows has 4 products each, and the third row has 2 products. Total is 10 products. But if you change the limit to 8, then we will have only 2 rows. Each row has 4 products. It's totally up to you. You can control the number of products you want to show on homepage. Hope it's clear by now. Let's move down to the last section in homepage. If you have an offer or limited time discount, you can write it here. For example, let's write free shipping. Instead of special edition, I'll write here, special offer. And let's change this text to, we offer free shipping on orders over $100. And maybe you can add coupon code here. I'll show you later in this video how to create discount coupons. And at Shop Now button, edit the link and insert store page link. And you can change the background image by clicking on white dots and then click on Style. You can use pexels.com to find great image. Go down to the last section. Here you're gonna find 4 advantages for shopping on your store. You can edit worldwide shipping to express shipping. Write here some words about each one of them, or maybe you can delete this extra text field. And by this, we are done working on homepage sections. You can add new sections as well. For example, click on plus, choose one column, go to Elements, and let's drag, for example, video. Video is added, and you can change video URL from the left box. You have to upload the video first on YouTube, and copy the video link here. Go back to Elements, and drag a heading on top of video. Center it, and you can write, for example, message from founder. Click Ctrl-Z together to undo changes. And let's add new section with 2 columns. Add text in the first, and add video in the second. And you can always add a heading on section top. It's very simple. You can add new sections to your website easily. Finally, I'll show you a very nice element, which is adding video to the background. Click on the white dots and then go to Style. And at Background Type, click on Video icon. And then insert your video link here. For example, I'll add skydive video. It looks really amazing. And this is a nice feature available at Elementor. You can also add video here instead of this image, following the same steps. So this is step-by-step guide to design your homepage. And we have amazing website without much effort. Click on Update to save changes. And at any point, you want to view the website in separate tab. Click down here on the eye icon. So the website will open in separate tab, and you can review the changes. And by this, we are done designing the homepage. Let's move to the next step. In this step, we're gonna learn how to edit other website pages and how to create new pages from scratch. So let's go to the website. Up here, we have About and Contact Us pages. Let's start with About page. This page comes with the theme. It's really nice, and you can edit it the same way we did with the homepage. Click up here on Edit with Elementor. If you want to change this image, click here and then go to Style. I believe this is very clear to you by now. Here as well, you can edit the text, change the image, and if you want to delete the whole thing, just click on X. And here as well, you can edit the text or delete the whole section. It's very easy, and I don't want to waste more time on this. And if you don't want to list your team members, you can simply delete the whole section. Or maybe you keep one section only, and instead of listing 3, let's say you want to show only 2 team members. Right-click here and delete only one column. And at the Follow Us section, you can click here and change the image. And to set up social icons, click on it. And for example, click on Facebook and enter the link for your store Facebook page. And do the same for other social media channels. Maybe you don't have Google Plus account, then click on X to delete it. And if you want to add, for example, Snapchat, click on Add Item. Then click here and search for Snapchat. Select it and click on Insert. So it's added here to the list of icons. And you can do the same changes on this section, similar to what you did in the home page. So, this is the first page, About Us page. And of course, when you are done, don't forget to click on Update to save your changes. Click on Preview Changes. Let's work on the next page, Contact Us page. Click on Edit with Elementor. You can change the background here. You can change this text, "We're here to help," or maybe delete it. And here, you can add your contact numbers. And if you have only one number, you can delete the rest. And you can delete the whole section. It's totally up to you. And if you want to change anything, just click on it and edit it. Here as well, you can edit the text. And this is the most important part of this page, which is the contact form. This form can be edited only from WordPress dashboard. Go down here to WP Forms and click on All Forms. Click on Contact Us. You can view and edit form fields from here. For example, if you don't want to have subject field, you can simply delete it. And if you want to add telephone number to the form, drag numbers element to the form, and then click on it. You can turn on required field, means that form will not be submitted without entering phone number. And then go to Advanced, and change field size to large in order to fit form design. Write number at placeholder text, and enable hide label. And then click up here on Save. Go back to Website Editor and click on Form, then Apply. You'll find that changes are applied to contact form. And instead of numbers, let's edit it to phone number. The next step is to go to Settings. Click on Notifications. Here we can enter the emails that will receive the form details when submitted by customer. You can enter multiple emails here and separate them by comma. And then click on Save. So this is how we work on the Contact Us form. If you have a physical store and you want to add your location map, click on Plus and Add New Section. And then go to Elements. And then drag Google Map element to the new section. And here at Location, you can enter the address of your store. So for example, if I write Harrods, it will appear on Google Map. You have to enter your address as per Google Maps listing. And maybe you can add a header on top of the map and write Visit Our Store. That's it for Contact Us page. Click on Update. Let's learn now how to create new pages from scratch. From WordPress dashboard, go to Pages and click up here on Add New. Write the new page title. Let's say we want to create a page for FAQs. Enter the page title here and then click on Edit with Elementor. New blank page is opened. Let's add a ready-made page. Click on this colorful circle. Search for FAQs. You will get a list of FAQ pages in all templates. Let's view this one for example. Review the page, and if you like it, click up here on Import Template. So the template is added successfully to the new page. And you can edit the page and add or delete sections. This is the easiest way to design new page. Let me undo the changes and show you the other way. You can as well build the page section by section. Let's add image as first section. Drag it here. Then click on plus. Choose 2 columns. Add heading to the first one and image to the second one. And maybe add a text editor here. So you can build your page section by section and edit them as we learned earlier. It's very easy and straightforward. And when you are done, click down here on Publish. The page is live now. Click on the eye icon to view it. You'll find that the new page URL is the domain name / page title. So this is how you add pages to your website. Now let's move to the next step and work on website header and footer. To start working on website header and footer, go to the website and then click up here on Customize. The first thing we're gonna do is to go down and click on Menus. Click on Main Menu. At Main Menu, you're gonna find everything which is listed here. And it doesn't look good on the website. Click on the arrow and then go down and click on Remove. So it's removed from the header. Go back and let's start working on the secondary menu. You have two items, About and Contact Us. Let's add other pages. Click on Add Item. For example, we have here the FAQ page which we created in previous step. In order to add it to the menu, click on plus sign, and you're gonna find it added to the menu. And to remove it, click on the arrow and then click on Remove. Let's add now product collections to the menu. Click on Add Items and then go down to Product Categories. You will find all your product collections which you have created earlier. Click on plus sign beside each one of them to add it to the menu. So all of them are added here. I want to list About and Contact Us pages at the end. Click on Reorder and click on down arrow beside About multiple times to move at the end of the list. So About is moved to the end of menu. And do the same for Contact Us. So here we have product categories, followed by Contact Us and About. On other hand, instead of listing all collections, we can create new item, collections, and list them all under it. Click on Done, then Add Items. Click on Custom Links. At Link field, insert hashtag. Hashtag means that this link is not clickable. And at Link Text, write Collections. And click on Add to Menu. And then click on Reorder. And move Collection to the top of the menu. And under Jackets, click on the right arrow. So it comes here under the collection. And do the same for other collections, jeans, suits, and sweaters. So all items are listed here under Collections, and it looks much better than listing each collection separately. Let's work now on website footer. The first thing we're gonna work on is the text here. Click on the blue pencil beside the text. You can edit it from here, but for me, I'm gonna delete it. Click down here on the X button beside HTML1. The next step is to click on Widget 4, which has the logo. Click on the logo, and then click on Replace and open Media Library. And select your logo. So the logo is added to the footer. And down here you can change this text, the best look, anytime, anywhere. We're gonna delete Widget 2 and Widget 3. We'll keep only Widget 1, which has the subscribe button, but we're gonna drag it to the second column. And then click on Social button, and from here, you can add your social media pages links. Also, you can delete unnecessary ones. Now, let's add a menu to footer. Click here on plus sign and select Footer Menu. The footer menu will appear here, but how we can edit it? Go back to Menus. Click on Quick Links. So here you have the footer menu items. And maybe you can add other pages. For example, FAQ page. You can edit this menu the same way we did with header menu. And when you're done, click on Publish. And close this one. So the updated menu is added and it looks great. And if you go down here, you'll find changes done to footer menu, the logo, social icons, and footer menu. And by this, we're done with this step. Let's move to the next step. In this step, we're gonna look at website mobile version. Click on Edit with Elementor. Go all the way down and click on Responsive mode. And up here, you can view the website in tablet mode and in mobile mode. The good thing about this theme that it's mobile friendly. For example, if you want to decrease the size of this text only for mobile version, just click on it. Go to Style, then Typography, and reduce the text size, similar to desktop version. But the only difference that changes here will be applied on mobile version only, and no effect on desktop version. As you notice, the website is mobile friendly. Let's assume that we want to hide the separator section from mobile only. Click on it, and go to Advanced, and then go down to Responsive, and turn on Hide on Mobile. So this section won't appear on mobile, but will appear on desktop and tablet. You can hide any section. Just go through mobile and tablet versions and make sure that design looks good. And when done, click on Update. In this step, we're gonna learn how to add payment methods. Go to WooCommerce, and then click on Settings. Go to Payment tab. These are the payment methods that come by default with WooCommerce. The most popular payment method is Stripe. WooCommerce payments is processed through Stripe, so it's always better to go directly to Stripe. Stripe is only available in certain countries. Here are the list of countries where Stripe is available. And if your country is not listed here, I'll explain in a minute how to add other payment methods to accept credit cards. In order to set up Stripe, first activate it from here, and then click on Finish Setup. Go to Stripe API Settings, and click on Connect with Stripe. Enter your email, and if you already have Stripe account, enter the same email. Click on Continue, and then choose a password. Enter your telephone number, and complete the setup guide. If you go down, you'll find other payment methods like cash on delivery, check payments, and direct bank transfer. These payment methods don't require any setup, and it will work immediately on your store. Also, you can add PayPal to your store. In order to add it, click on Plugins, and then Add New. Search here for PayPal. You'll get WooCommerce PayPal payments. Click on Install Now, and then Activate. Back to Payment Settings. You will find PayPal added to the list of payment methods. Activate it, and then click on Activate PayPal. Then insert your email and follow through to sign into your existing PayPal account or to create a new account, and it will be linked instantly to your store. So this is another important payment method, and it will help you start selling if your country is not supported by Stripe. Also, you can check the local payment gateways in your country. Most of them will have dedicated plugin for WooCommerce, and they can help you accepting credit cards on your store. For example, if Checkout.com payment gateway is available in your country, in order to activate it on your store, go to Plugins and click on Add New, and search for Checkout.com. You will find a dedicated plugin for this payment gateway. Click on Install Now, then activate it, and go back to Payment Settings. You'll find it added here. Activate it, click on it, and click on Core Settings, and insert here Secret Key and Public Key. You will get them from the payment gateway, and then you will be able to accept credit cards on your store. Just approach Payment Gateway support, and they will help you activate it on your store. However, if your country is supported by Stripe, then you don't have to go through these steps. Just activate Stripe and PayPal, and you are good to go. Let's move now to the next step. In this step, I'll show you how to set up discount coupons on your store. Go to WooCommerce, then click on Coupons. Click on Create your first coupon. The first thing is writing here the coupon code. For example, the coupon code will be SAVE10. And here at Discount Type, we assign fixed percentage discount instead of fixed cart discount. And we enter 10. It means that we are giving 10% discount when someone uses this coupon. And you can assign coupon expiry date. And then go to Usage Restrictions. You can assign minimum spend, maximum spend, and you can select specific products to qualify for a discount, and so on. And from Usage Limits, you can choose usage limit per coupon, or how many times this coupon can be used. And you can assign usage limit per user, or how many times this coupon can be used by a single user. Let's go to website and test this coupon. Let's add this product to cart. And here at Coupon Code, we insert SAVE10. Click on Apply Coupon. You'll get this message that coupon is applied successfully. And the coupon discount is applied here, which is 10% from $28. Let's move now to the next step. In this step, we're gonna learn how to create email accounts using our domain name through Bluehost. Click on Advanced, and under Advanced, you will find here Email Accounts. To create new email, click here on Create. First, enter username of the email. You can write here anything. I will write here info, so the email ID will be info@prodigitalhub.net. Next, choose a password for your new email and click on Create. The email is created successfully and ready to use. And in order to access webmail, click here on Check Email. Tick this one and click on Open. You are inside your webmail, and you can receive or send emails from here. Also, here you will find the settings in order to add your email to your mobile or Outlook. In this final step, I'm gonna show you how to change password and log into WordPress dashboard. The first way to log into WordPress is through Bluehost dashboard. The second way is to go to user down here and click on all users. Click on this one and go all the way down to set new password. Click on it and enter your new password. And then go down and click on update profile. To log into WordPress without going through Bluehost, right here, your domain name followed by /wp-admin. Enter the email used when you signed up for Bluehost, and then type the password that we just changed. And we successfully log into WordPress. So this is how you access WordPress without Bluehost. And by this we reach to the end of this tutorial. Hope you will have amazing journey selling online. Please support us by liking this video and subscribe to the channel. Talk to you soon.